hata kazi ikusustain hakuna.
Now, Kenya's recovering construction sector is providing a fresh boost to the paint industry, with manufacturers reporting increased demand for both new buildings and renovations. The growth is putting renewed focus on local manufacturing capacity as producers seek to expand production and strengthen domestic supply chains.
Construction is going to be a cornerstone of a lot of consumption of all paint and building related products. There's so much affordable housing happening, and we do see a lot of consumption happening of paint. They will continue at the consumption patterns will continue at about a double-digit growth. So that part we are quite confident so far. We want to be a premier paint and coatings solution provider, not just a manufacturer, a solution provider. So going forward, we want to make it such that nobody should think like it's a chore to do a painting job in the house. It can be applied in your room, in your office, while you're sitting there working, because there is no order.
Now, the government is banking on digital procurement to curb